So how you doing today, Grandma?
Wonderful.
And whose grandma are you? Are you my grandma?
No,
Who are you to me?
Mommy.
All right. What about that little kid? Who is he to you? Grandson.
Yeah.
And what about that other one over there? What's that guy to you? That's your son. Who's older, me or him?
Him.
Him. And who is the oldest? Do you have another son?
Mm-hmm.
Is he older or younger than us?
Younger. I mean,
He's
older.
younger. Older. Oh, we're younger than him. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. What's his name?
Michael.
All right. All right. You're on top of it today. How old are you? How old is Grandma?
70 plus 8.
70 plus 8. Yeah. Okay. You got it. Yeah. Yeah. What about your husband, Tony David? Where's he?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is he alive? Yeah.
Did you talk to him to let him know you're going to be here?
Did I talk to him to let you know he's going to be here?
You know.
To let him know? Or to let me know?
Uh-huh.
You guys think you think you travel without him? Are you traveling right now?
Yeah. I'm homeless right now.
You're homeless. You've always been homeless.
I know.
You're a gypsy. You're a gypsy lady. That's your style. That's how you
Yep.
roll.
Yep.
You like it that way, though, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I think you prefer being a gypsy. Should you consider yourself a gypsy or a nomad?
Be a nomad.
Okay. Have you ever pillaged a village?
Fred. Papa, make a
Yeah.
Fred. Papa, make a
At the insect zoo.
Huh. I didn't know what it did.
It's called a decapod.
Huh, what is it?
A decapod. What does deca mean? That's right. So, and if pod means legs, what does decapod mean? How are you doing today?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. That's wonderful. This is the butterfly garden part of the insect zoo. Are butterflies insects?
That's a good question. I guess I'm going to say yes.
Yes, they are, right? 6 legs, 3, I don't know, body parts, whatever you call that. Thorax, abdomen, head, perhaps. Is that cool? Is that a stick bug or a stick?
Bug? Cactus bug.
Cactus bug? Oh, it does kind of look like a cactus, huh?
Hey, he looked at me. Are you a dinosaur or are you a lizard? Big motherfucker.
Can I help paint this, Grandma?
See, turn to pink. Family project.
Yep. Madagascan cockroach. Cute.
Cute. Ah. Ah.
You like that? Okay. Love you.
What are you doing?
Where?
I'm going back to the Philippines.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're not.
For Maria.
Yeah. Family hug. Aww.
Aww.